everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to introduce you all to a brand which is called as Mother Sparsh. They are not very new in the market. They are there in the market from 2016, but when they initially came in the market, they were making products only for the babies, like the plant-based baby products and the water-based baby wipes. So recently they have launched their feminine beauty regime range, which is for the mothers as well as every other woman. So I have recently tried their products and I want to share you my reviews about all of the products that I've tried from Mother Sparsh. The objective of this brand Mother Sparsh is to make products which will give us which will promote our well-being. At the same time, it will not have any harmful impact on the environment. So the products that came to me arrived in this beautiful bag which has Mother Sparsh written on it, and all the products were there inside the bag, and which I've taken out. I'm going to show you in the next clip. And it has come with a card which says, "Thank you. When you support a local business, you're supporting a dream." Of course, when we are supporting indigenous brands, brands like this, we are actually making their dream come true. So these are all the products which are sent to me by the brand Mother Sparsh. They've sent me their plant powdered oatmeal and honey face mask. So let me tell you guys, all these products are plant based. So this is the first product. They have sent me their shea and cocoa body butter, their ultra rich face cream, their under eye recovery gel, and also their ultra rich face wash. First, I will start with the Mother Sparsh plant powered ultra rich face wash with earth, marine water and vitamin oil. It is for intense hydration for nourished and radiant skin. This is 100 ml and this retails for 349 rupees. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you that all of these products are available on their website. So I'll be mentioning their website address in the below. Right now some discounts are going on. If you want to buy this product, is the right time to buy it. So yes, you can go to the description below and get the link from there. Product is a gel based face wash. I will show you the texture. It is not very runny, at the same time it is not very liquidy. It's a transparent gel kind of liquid, texture. And I have used this, for the last 1 week I have been using this. And you need very less quantity to cleanse your face with this. It just removes all darts, all makeup. It's very good in cleansing your face. So yes, it removes all darts very nicely. And when you will wipe your face, you will see that your face is looking very bright, very shiny. So and also it is for intense hydration for nourished and radiant skin. So yes, it is good for dry skin people. It is not going to make your skin dry. So yeah, this is a good face wash. I have just used this for the last 7 days. So I have not seen major changes in me. I have to use this for longer period of time to see major changes. Then only I can tell you guys how it actually works. But for the time being, I can also only say that it cleanses well and it does not leave my skin dry. Next product that I have is this plant powered ultra rich face cream, which is containing coconut butter and lavender oil. So yes, I have tried this product, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. All of these products looks very similar. So yeah, they are having one common pattern of design, which is nice. And this is what the texture looks like. It is a creamy texture. Of course, this is a cream, and it does not have a very strong smell, very light smell actually, which is scented. Yeah, it is nice, refreshing. And now I have used this product a couple of times, and what I feel is that it is a very lightweight moisturizer and it gets absorbed to your skin very fast. It is moisturizing, but at the same time it is not heavy moisturizer, I would say. So this is very good for people having oily skin. But if you are having very dry skin, I think this product is not going to give you high level of moisturization. I mean, for people having very dry skin, it is not for them because this is a very lightweight and non-greasy, and it absorbs to your just get absorbed to your skin super fast. So I feel that it is good for people having combination and oily skin, but not for people having dry skin. Need heavy moisturization which this cream cannot provide. So yeah, this is all about this cream. And yes, this one retails, and this cream retails for 375. Next product that I have received is the Mother Splash Plant Powered Under Eye Recovery Gel, Avocado Oil and Cucumber Extract. Now we all know what is the purpose of the under eye gel. Under eye gel, it helps to reduces dark circles if you're having any, and also reduces the wrinkles around the eyes, and it actually makes your skin softer, you know, the eyes which is the skin which is also, it makes the skin which is below the eyes softer. So it is recommended for everybody who is suffering from dark circles, or you know, actually most of us have dark circles, if not too much, but yes, we do have it. So it's recommended for everybody to use a good under eye gel so that it does not increase. So they have come up with this plant based formula, and you have to use this twice a day. Just put it under your you know, apply it well and massage it well, and just leave it. So it is going to reduce the dark circles and also makes the skin soft. This product is a little higher in price. This is 449 rupees for how much, 115 grams. This is what the gel looks like. I've taken very small drop of it because it's an expensive product, and I have to, you know, use it for longer duration of time, so I just don't want to waste it. So this is the under eye gel cream. All of this Mother Splash products that I'm showing today, they have a similar kind of fragrance, which is a little scented but not overpowering, not very high fragrance, you know, very gentle kind of a fragrance, and all of the products have same fragrance. Product is the Shea and Cocoa Body Butter. So this is what the inside of the packaging looks like, and it's like, it comes in a jar kind of a container, and once you open it, you will get to see the cream inside. It does smells like chocolate, yes, and also shea. It smells really refreshing. So this is what the texture looks like. You can see it is a little foamy, if you can see properly. Yeah, a little foamy kind of a texture. And I have used this, you know, a couple of times, and what I feel about this product is that it is a very lightweight, similar to the face cream. It is also very lightweight, non-greasy formula, and it gets absorbed to the skin very fast. But I feel it is good for people, as I said in the case of face cream as well, good for people having oily skin. And for the dry skin people, you know, if your skin is very dry, this is not the product for you. And also it lasts quite well on the body, but I feel, you know, in the winter I need something which is more moisturizing than this. Maybe this will be very good for the summertime when your body does not need that greasy formula and which is sweaty. So yeah, for the summer it may be good, but for the winter I need something which is more moisturizing myself. Yeah, but this is a good product, and it is going to be very good for people having oily skin. This is written here that it is the ultimate skin food for deep nourishment. The body butter retails for 499 rupees for 100 grams of the product, but this is a thick product, so it will last you long. I know that honey, which is a natural scrubbing ingredient, and oatmeal, both of these products are very good for our face. So this face mask contains both of these products. But yes, when you will apply this face mask, like every other face mask, when it will dry up, your face will feel little dryness. But once you remove that off, it will be such a glowing bright skin. It is a highly recommendation out of all of the products. If you want to try a single product, please try this one. You'll definitely like it. So all of these products are SLS free, are paraben C. They do not have any harmful ingredients which is going to affect your skin. So this is a review about all of the new products from Mother Splash that I have tried, and I'm very happy that I have tried these products out. And because, you know, as I said earlier, I always like to try new products which is launching in the market, and I want to try to reach these products out to you guys so that you guys don't miss good products which is there in the market. And I'm very happy that brands like this are coming up, and in India we are having so many good, you know, skincare and hair care brands. See you guys soon with another video. Take care till then. Bye.